Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Kai Plays Games. Today we're looking at the sequel title to Platform 8, or I'm sorry, Exit 8, and this game's called Platform 8. And I am looking for anomalies in the train. Next is Raisin. Oh, I was sitting down. Okay. Please check electric signs. Fire extinguisher. Okay, cool. As always, the graphics phenomenal. You can even see like the warping of like the plastic on these things. まるで白熱電球. Nice. All right, let's go. Oh, that's interesting. So we start at Raisin, then we go to Ichigasaki, then Ninotsuka, Sanzuka. This is all like in numbers in Japan, so it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Where the final destination is Hachiban, which just simply means number 8. I don't have a reflection. I must be a vampire. Alright. I remember you. You were in the previous game with me. Yeah. All right. Let's do it. 皆さん空気読めてますか? This was actually quite the phenomenal game. You're put into like awkward situations, and you're supposed to act accordingly by reading the room, and it's kind of a hilarious game. So like in this example, it's like you're sitting and there's two spots open to your left and to your right, and then you see a couple on the right hand side. It says boyfriend and girlfriend on their back, so they don't say anything because that's just how Japanese people are. When you read the room, what are you supposed to do here? You're supposed to scooch over so the boyfriend and girlfriend can sit together, but the optimal choice is to scoot your right, the guy's left, so that there won't be that bar in between the boyfriend and the girlfriend. So like that's the solution, kind of. It's the most Japanese game you'll ever play. Yokozuna. These ads are so Japanese ads, I swear. So I'm assuming I'm looking for anomalies, and this is like the base. And if there was anything I learned from the previous game, I shouldn't be hyper-focused on the minute details. Like, they're usually pretty obvious. Alright, let's go. Please check the electric sign. Okay. Yeah? Thought I heard footsteps. Oh my, that's my own footsteps. It's weird because I only heard it on the right side. Oh, okay. Alright. Next stop is still Raisin, so I guess not a fan of Intel, huh? Let's see. 車内の異変にはご注意ください. Be careful of anomalies. Oh. Turn back. That's not how that works. Oh no. What do I do? Do I just... Do not get off? Do not get off. Okay. Oh. The thought didn't cross my mind. So the objective, I think, is to get off at Station 8. Oh! Or not? Well... Well, the game's called Platform 8, but that's the station's name is Hachiban. I'm confused. Oh, there we go. Next stop, Ichigasaki. Alright. Metaverse Yokosuka. That's actually pretty sick looking. The gaming mansion. Nice. That's coming, and you know it. I wouldn't be surprised if that's a real thing. Like, it's an apartment building where every room in the complex has 10 gigabit internet and is like completely soundproof. That's coming in like the next 10 years. Within the next 10 years, it's gonna be a thing. If it already hasn't been. Ah! Ah! Don't look, don't look, don't look. Don't look. I still have to get past him though, right? It says do not look. You wanna look at his feet? Excuse me, sir. I was just walking past by. Whew. Alright, there we go. Yeah, Ninotsuka. Ninotsuka. L2. So this is less of finding anomalies, but more like solving puzzles, I guess. This is interesting. Alright, let's go, let's go. Okay, what's the challenge now? Everything's red. Are we in a submarine? We're in a military setting, night ops. I'm looking for something that's not red. No hints this time. Sir, have you noticed a change in the lights? Do I just... Well, that's weird. Ah! That was it? Just red? Next, Sansa? Okay. Alright, alright. I'll keep pushing. Wait, this is weird. Why isn't there an anomaly yet? There should be an anomaly, right? What am I missing? What am I missing? Bet G-Zone energy drink is that's an actual energy drink. Oh god, where'd the guy go? Shit. Why is there a man standing on the other side of that door? Did you trap me in here? Oh boy. No 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 no. Oh. 明るい動いちゃダメ. Do not move when it is bright. What am I in the Squid Games now? Shit. Could have moved further. Hey, girl. Nice. Oh, okay. That's cool. Ituzuhara. 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 Okay, that's interesting. It's a very difficult to pronounce kind of name. Okay. What's your next challenge? Another one of those anomalous train carts. Perhaps. Just like that? Did I miss my mark? Was I supposed to go? It didn't feel right. The breathing and the door being... Do I just go? Okay, I'll take it. What did it say? Rokushita? Mutsushita? Muge. Of course it's Muge. Not Muge, it's Muge. Alright, bring it on. What does it say? Do not look back. How hard could that be? Oh god. Jesus Christ. Nanawada. Nanawada. Nawata. Damn. Okay. Alright, bring on the next challenge. Oh, wow. Am I, like, not supposed to touch them? That guy's about to walk into the other guy. Nawata, okay. Damn. That is so cool. I don't know how you texture a model like that. That's so freaking cool. Alright. Next station, Hachiban. You really like being in these places, don't you? Alright, what's the last trial? What you got for me? Do not open. Is anybody there? Somebody! Please open! Help me! Somebody! Open! Open the door! Hey! Do I want to get off here? This sounds like the train's powering down. Well, shit. Here goes. I don't know, man. Oh, so the ads in game are like actual real ads. That's cool. Did it say Hikakin was in this game? He's like the most popular YouTuber in Japan. He's kind of like the PewDiePie of Japan. Anomaly 22. Okay, so there's more. "22 anomalies." I gotta find the 22 anomalies. I think. Well, there's one anomaly there. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay, so... It's, oh, okay, there's an English translation down there. But do not proceed to the next car until the anomaly in this car has disappeared. So we got an anomaly going on. Gotta find it. What's the anomaly? Let's start looking for it. Oh my god, how did I miss that? How did I miss that? Okay. Alright, let's go. 21, okay, yep, we're down to, okay, cool. So is that just the tutorial, or is the anomaly in the next cart, or is it in this cart? Because in the previous game, you did... Oh, wow. What is... I don't know, something... Doesn't feel right. Is it just... like the lighting? The reflections don't seem right. Yeah, so like if it was in the previous game, there was that like one extra like corridor you pass before the next anomaly starts. Gee, I wonder what the anomaly is here. Do not look away. My god. It's hard to look away. Alright, I got you. How am I gonna proceed to the next cart though? Do I gotta push you over to the door? Is it game over if I touch you? Hello there. Oh god. What happens if I do look away? Like, is it gonna start to come close? Is it like one of the SCPs? No? Okay. So I guess I could, like, open the door. If I'm quick about it. Oh, yeah, it is. It is like that SCP. Got you. Got you. As if I forget the name number. It was like 835 or something. That was cool. That was like a fucking horror movie right there. It's gone. And if I turn around, no, okay. All right, 20 more anomalies. Let's go. All right, what's the anomaly? That doesn't look right. That is definitely not right. Yep. All right, next please. Yeah. Light light flashy. Whoa! Unhinged. It's like, yeah, shit happens. I mean, aren't train windows like shatterproof glasses? Like, they're not supposed to be these like fucking crunchy, thin glasses. Like, what the fuck? That's sick. I'll take it. That's cool. Hey! Some shattered pieces made it over to this cart, too. Alright, bring it on. Next anomaly. Next anomaly. How do they do that? Sir? I think your head is missing. Sure. 17 more to go. Gosh, that's a lot. Alright. Next. Oh, it's one of those. Okay, what is wrong?
A few moments later.
Really? This whole time? I even stared at this poster earlier. What the Come on. Here we go. There we go. That's it. Easy spazy. Oh no 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 no! Hey, that was the thing from the last game. That was a horrible Ryan Jordan. All right, bring it, bring it. That's cool. Oh, they're inside. What? Uh-oh. Nice. Hey. Here, let's have a chit chat. Here, yeah, ask me anything. This is a quick AMA session for your viewers there. Hi, I'm Kai. Kai lives in Tokyo. What would you like to know? I thought your phone's out of battery. Alright, you must be the anomaly then. This feels weird. Alright, let's go. Yep. It's a bunch of anomalies he just took care of. Why'd you lose interest in me? You were so eager to filming me just now. What changed? What happened to us? Ah! Do you have to go 2 train cars before the next anomaly starts? It's inconsistent. I don't understand. You alright there, bud? Well, the poster isn't up. Then it's got to be like one of the action anomalies where it's like, you know, it's not something that I gotta find, but something that happens obviously. And then when the yellow poster's up, it's probably the subtle one. It's like, yeah, it is. That's a weak anomaly. And honestly, in most cases, I think that's the kind of anomaly that we'd want to, that's like the maximum anomaly that we'd ever want to encounter in real life. A door not closing. The loose door anomaly. Oh, something on the ground there. 8 right. 9 back, 4 forward. What does that mean? Oh no, that doesn't add up to, that adds up to 21. So that's not the number of anomalies, I don't think. What's that drawing? Is that doodle of a door? 8 over, 9 back, and then 4 back. I was gonna say the number of doors I'd have to open to get to the cars. It wouldn't make sense. Oh, it does make sense. Okay, I mean, maybe? Let's try this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it was 4 right, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. I'm like, it can't be the doors on the sides, like, 'cause it's a one window door. Okay, that was easy. Alright, what's next? 10. Bring it. Bring it. More than halfway here. What you got? What you got? What's that on the outside? Oh my god! That's human skin. Ah! That's so freaking cool. Oh my god. That's an ear. That's the top of an ear. This side too? Yeah. Is it you? Could it be? Nah, he doesn't have the eyebrows like you do. Okay. That's so weird. All right, let's go. 9 more. Oh. Okay, change of pace. That's not even a door. I am trapped. Oh, no way. I don't know if I want to go there. Okay. I like the reflection. That's so cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nice. All right. I saw the shadow. I'm like, nope. I'm only supposed to advance when the lights are off with this girl, right? But she's looking this way. Back with the Squid Games! Or not. Hi there, little girl. Are you lost? Is this your daddy? Find me. Well, generally speaking, there aren't that many places you could hide in a train car. Ah! Ah! I found you. Okay. Okay. That wasn't creepy at all. 7 more. Oh, we're zooming past. Now what? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do about these mannequins? Hey, I wanna sit. I was hoping like they'd all be looking at me or something. Maybe one of them are. Or maybe one of them is. You know? Oh, that's just weak sauce. Or not. Okay, I'm supposed to do something here. Find the fake mannequin. Damn. Y'all look alike. Maybe the hands are in the wrong position. Maybe one of them has 2 left arms. Oh, no, wait, here we go. Ah, join the mannequins. Huh? How's it going, bud? Yeah? How about you? What's going on over there? Yeah? Oh, no, have you heard about this new tone of white? I gotta try it, man. It's like, I'm getting tired of this whole, you know. Yeah, what about you? Have you even seen that? How's that chiropractor you were talking about, man? It's like, you said your like shoulders were getting stiff or something? No? Any better on that? And any luck on that? You gotta tell me where he is. I gotta check him out sometime. All right, well, it was good catching up with you guys. I guess I'll be moving on now. Whew. Another one in the bag. All right, let's go. That wasn't that bad. That's not bad at all. I know there are people who are afraid of mannequins, and I get it. I think it's a cool feature, though. I think it's a cool... artistic take on horror. Let's look. I'm just hoping for that eye to do something. Okay. I don't think they're gonna hit me with the window anymore. No, I'm like, one of these days, one of these anomalies are going to be the dude, not in the, like, the dude's not going to be in a reflection or something, but I guess not. Okay. Now proceed to the next car until the anomaly in this car has disappeared. So, there we go. That's the one. Oh man, that was weak sauce. Oh, come on. All right, let's go. Let's go. She's... Uh-oh. She's the SCP, right? Oh no. Oh no. She moves when the lights goes off. Oh boy. Get out of here. Whew. Okay. Alright. I had very little time to figure that out. That weird lady person only moves when the lights are out, and the lights were like already got it off intermediately. Okay. Next anomaly. Only 4 more to go, guys. Only 4 more to go. Cool. Oh. I actually almost jumped off. I'm like, oh wait. So the thing is, it's not shift to, well, I mean, you can sprint with shift, but you also sprint when you click. And like pretty much any other button, like control to crouch will make you sprint, right click will make you sprint, left click will make you sprint. It's like any button that's usually used in a first person shooter makes your character sprint, and that's why I almost fell off there. I wasn't trying to go that far. I was trying to run at the end there. All right, 3 more anomalies. Let's go. Whoa, that's so cool, but I gotta hurt. Whoa, dude, that was sick. I ain't gonna lie, I'm enjoying this. This is fucking cool. 2 more anomalies. All right. Come on now. Let's get this. I mean, they didn't go for difficulty this time. They went for experience. And I'm kind of digging it. Less brain power. More entertainment. That's fine by me. Oh boy. Woo. Well, see, the thing though is, that's not that weird that these things are shaking. Like, if you get on one of those old ass railways in Japan, you'll see you'll see this happen. It's not that weird. It's weird, but it's not like bonkers weird. All right, last one. Can it be you? You're like wearing like RGB shoes or something. Here you go. Or not. Whoa! Did not expect that. Oh my god. Damn! Can I just go? Anomaly 0. Woo! Oh, nice. This is all... Do I just get off here? Hey, bud. You wanna maybe take off, or you just gonna take this train all the way to the next anomaly? Guess I'll see you there eventually. The train's gone. It was all a dream. This definitely looks like the one of like a Asakusa line station. There would be vending machines at these areas usually. Okay, do not want to fall off the platform. All right, sure, I'll go up. What do we got? god, this station is so well made. Oh, darn, I forgot my Suica. Or my Passmo. Damn. Oh, the train's gone. Oh, darn. Hey, rail person. I forgot my IC. Guess I'll just walk past here then. Sure. Wait a minute. Is this a test? Left or right? Does it matter? Is this just gonna lead to exit number 8? Oh my god, this is just gonna lead to exit number 8, isn't it? No! I knew it! No! It wasn't a sequel. It was a prequel. That's so cool. No. Oh man, that was good. That ending was awesome. Oh, no way. Oh, that was sick. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm still hearing something. The train's arriving at platform number 8. Oh, and it starts the game again. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, man, that was such a good game. That was a really, really cool game. And, you know, it's a cool experience. This game forces you to go through every single anomaly, so there's not much I can uncover at this point. So, the game's done. It's done. So, this one, the focus was more on the experience rather than puzzle solving. The puzzles weren't difficult. They were there, but they weren't difficult. They were just there. But the overall experience, it was fun. There was a nice tutorial, I guess, for the first half, and then for the 22 anomalies, it was sick. A couple points there, like the big hand coming in, I didn't expect. I almost walked right into that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell as well. Like the video, leave a comment if you're feeling generous. Go support the devs in the link in the description below, as always. And I will see you guys on the next video.